Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our latest video on stunning new designer earring design ideas for parties. Whether you are dressing up for a glamorous night out, a chic cocktail party, or a festive celebration, we have got the perfect earring styles to elevate your look. From sparkling earrings and elegant drop earrings to bold statement pieces, and discover a variety of design that cater to every taste and occasion. Stay tuned for inspiration on how to accessorize your outfit with those exquisite collections. And make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fashion tips and trends. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the